count and what is the approximate distinct count is. So before going to see, so standard documentation part. So we follow the Microsoft. So as per Microsoft documentation, you don't need any certification like if you have anything. So distinct count is return the approximate number row contain distinct value of the column. This function can query large amount of data with potentially better performance than distinct count with slightly deviation from the exact result. But yeah, approximately that if you create using this function, so little bit variance is coming, so it's not impact much. So I will show you demo, and you will able to download this demo below description. I will give the link in below description of my video, so you can download it as well, and it's totally free. There is no cost for it. Talk about the formula part. So approximate distinct count, that function name is just pass the column, nothing else. I will show you demo as well. So this is the term, and this the approximate number distinct value in column any, it will give approximate value, and distinct value exact value. So huge difference between it. Suppose if you find the blank value, then it will display the it doesn't find any value, contain value, so it will display blank, otherwise it turn the value. Talk about distinct. So let's type distinct count. So distinct count number distinct value in the column, and same function, just pass the column name, the contain column value in the continued, return the distinct column. So it generally what it remove the duplicate and then provide the count. Similar function done by the approximated distinct count as well, but the difference is the only argument allowed in function in the column, and one argument can be allowed. Same thing here too. Approximate, then distinct count function count blanks value and skip blanks value, use distinct count blank. So if value is blank, then also it will consider this. So instead of using this, use distinct count blank. And there is a limitation, is that this function does not support for use in direct query mode when calculated are row level security rules. Any if you have applied the row level security and direct query, doesn't work on it. So that's a huge limitation I have, and I finally got the solution approximate distinct count that was help us a lot. Following example show you number distinct value order. We shall see this. So it will distinct it. So this is the, if you talk about the difference parts, first difference is that approximate count, if as a blank, then it will display the blank, otherwise give the you can say exact number, approximate number. Distinct count, blank will be also considered as a number, so it will count it, and as well as it doesn't skip the blank. So distinct count function does not work on the direct query mode. So that is the limitation, RLS as well, row level security as well. So if in case any got problem, so you please try to use approximate distinct count. So let's move to the Power BI. So I have a Power BI sample data, so finance data. So let me add the keys. We don't have, that. So let me add the keys here. So go to the form, add the key. I added index, then come here, add the index, and I wanted to append in the finance, so that it has a 700 row. I wanted to append in it. So let's append the sheet 1 into the finance data, not merge, append. So no, I wanted to append in same. So select the sheet 1 and press OK. It is already appended. They see this 999 plus, previously it's showing 700 rows. Now apply and close. So I just applied that, not close, so that I can show you. Hardly will take less than 30 seconds. So we'll do that. Yeah, done it. Let's move to the desktop, Power BI desktop. So let's add the separate table for DAX. I wanted to come in the top underscore DAX. DAX is equal to, it will come in top. So this, wow. Now create the distinct count and approximate distinct count. So test distinct count. I cannot write the same formula. So distinct count, then pass the index column, financial index. So it should have 1400. So if you remove this, then we'll display 700 only. So we'll check it. Don't let's check it. So if I see this, let me convert into the matrix 700. Perfect. Let's count the slightly different. You will get it. Approximate distinct count. Approximate distinct count. The font so that you will be able to see that. Approx A double P like is not showing here. Doesn't show in the formula. Let me check. Let me copy and paste. What is the error? Approx distinct count is not a formula. Already applied formula. It should be so here. Something wrong in that because my Power BI was working fine. I So maybe my Power BI has some issue that must need to restore it that. So just you can pass the column name index is in scope. Don't worry. So you can just pass the formula like this, and since it's not working in my Power BI, so I think I have to I think I have to restart. You can say reinstall my Power BI, then it will work. So approximate distinct count, then use this function, and it will give 700. Same value, nothing is different. Works. If the error cannot find name, yeah, definitely. So it doesn't find because I think my restore my power base, it will work. So same way you can just export here, and since it doesn't work, so that is not able to show that. So it will say 700 also, and this will going to solve new things that that Power BI it really help us. And if you got any question, if you have any question, so please don't forget to subscribe. Please ask. And this is request, and this is humble request from you guys, that please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching.